All right, what's up, everybody out there? Real quick, I just want to give you a breakdown of the Breakout robot. This is the Ikamuchu Cloud Breakout EA with the indicator. What this EA does is it takes trades based off the market's momentum. If the market is in an up momentum, we use the cloud that's customized by us to take a trade in the buy position. And if it's in a downward momentum, we use the cloud to take a trade and a sell position. Now, as you can see, if the candles are above the cloud, it's going to trigger a trade, as you can see from the green arrow that you see all the way to the right under the blue pip signal, right? That triggered this trade. I'm waiting for it to get to 20 pips, and then I'm going to hop out of the trade. As you can see, it was triggered when that arrow hit. Now, when the candles come back down into the cloud, as you can see, the cloud is starting to form a red position, meaning that the market is starting to go into a sell position. If you look at the day at the very bottom where the indicator is, let me make the indicator a little bit bigger. You can see it's starting to form a sell position. If you look at the 4 hour, that's also confirmation that the market is getting ready to go into a sell position. So if you see those things, you already know that we only got a little bit of time before this market changes position. Now, if you look carefully, I did take a counter trend based off the position that the market is getting ready to form, because I'm looking for 20 pips. As you can see, I'm about to gain 20 pips. When I hit 20 pips, I'm going to step out of this trade. My target is about 25 pips anyway. So once I get that, I'm done. I'm good. That's my take profit. I'm out of there. As you can see, I hit 20 pips. So I'm going to get out of this trade. Now, I'm going to let it run until it hits the TP, as you should. But like I said, the confirmation is in the indicator, the cloud, in the position of the candle. So you do look at the price action no matter what. I don't care what indicator or EA you're using. Price action is king. As you can see, this is a mini breakout. I was able to catch it. This is going to be the breakout before the market goes down. Who knows how far this may go? I may push my stop loss to the TP and then bring the TP up. That way I still win the trade either way, right? So with that being said, I'm going to let this run out. But I'm going to just break down what it is. We have the custom cloud, which is custom made by us. This is my template personally. I like to know the market simply by looking at my cloud. My cloud tells me that the market is getting ready to form a sell position. I get confirmation from the indicator at the bottom that also says that in the 4 hour and the daily. And when you get these confirmations all together, you know how to trade. Now, you do see a RSI that I have at the bottom that alerts me when the market is undersold and oversold, right? I don't use the RSI. That's just there. That is not part of the EA. The EA has everything here but that. I just like to look at that to know when the market is in those positions, because something can be oversold for days. So do not just simply believe because something's oversold you can stay there and wait for it to go down. You can end up going up for days and lose a lot of money like that. Trust me, I've done it. And I'm not knocking that method, because I know a lot of people like that, and I have no problem with it. But you still need to be more careful and unique influences before you just jump into those kind of trades. So trust me, use our software. As you can see, we trade Bitcoin, crypto, everything. This thing trades indices, it trades cryptos, whatever you want. As long as the position and the market is going in any direction, this robot will trade it. Okay, so as you can see, I got a small lot, 0.03, because I don't feel like trading heavy and big on this. I'm just right now looking at the market because the market is a little stagnant. But you have breakouts here and there. Whenever you get a breakout, this robot will take it. It will catch it for you. So all you have to do is go to tradegameofficial.com, and we have this robot available currently. This is one of my favorite robots, and I recommend it. Now, if you want to set this up properly, as you can see in live time, the 4 hours changing into a sell position. As you see the market is getting ready to switch over. This is why you have to have these indicators, and you still need to be on top of them. Now, before I go, we do have Telegram, and we have the command center, which allows you to take trades from Telegram. So if you have an EA running and you're not in front of the computer, you can be on Telegram and still take the trades and monitor the trades. Now, as you can see, the momentum of the market is definitely changing right in real time. You see, went into a sell because this is getting ready to retrace, and it's getting ready to retest the cloud, and it's getting ready to start pushing into that sell position. So if I notice that's happening when this candle is closing, I'll just get out of the trade with maybe 10 pips. Like I said, it's not a loss. 10 pips is better than no pips. But like I said, you could always hit us up. You could get we'll help you set up the indicator and stuff like that, things of that nature. Just get a consultation, 30 minutes or something, and we'll make sure everything's right. But this is simple to install, and you can use it yourself. You just have to know what you're doing. A lot of EAs out there will waste your time and money, and if you don't know how to use them, man, I feel for you. So this is what's considered a counter trend trade based off the fact that the momentum is changing, and the cloud is actually indicating that to me now. So I'm not looking to stay in a straight long. I may not even let it hit take profit because it's a risky trade as far as the market, but I think I'm confident enough to get the 20 pips. As you can see from the start of the video, I was right there anyway. So I'll look at the closing of the candle and decide if I want to stay in or not based off that. Especially if the candle closes high and then I know that next candle is forming red, it's going to probably try to drop back down. That's coming either way. So I'm just going to ride this candle out for the next hour. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you have any questions about the EA, just ask me. This is one of my favorite EAs. It's one of the first ones I learned to use, and I've tried numerous EAs and none of them are better than this one. Okay, so I'm out of here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is your boy Jimmy. Peace. And do remember, Trade Game Official has the Telegram group, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everything.com, whatever you want. So just hit us up and we'll get you straight. We do consultations to help people out. We do have plenty of software and indicators. We do have a signals group. We do have a premium signal group. Let me know if you guys want to get into that. But we do have the free group if you want to hit us up. If you just want to get in there and ask us questions and stuff like that, we're going to be able to help you. But just remember, if you need full-fledged like lessons or you need us to really sit down, you do have to get the consultation. We're not trying to kill you with fees or nothing like that. But, time is money. But we'll help you out and we'll be reasonable with how we help you out and, what you have to pay or whatever. If it comes down to that. If it's something simple, we'll do it for you. It's not a problem, okay? Anyway, that doesn't mean that you guys are going to be hitting me up asking for a bunch of stuff because people get crazy. But anyway, I'm out of here. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Peace. And I'm about to get a 20 pips. It looks like it's pushing, it's trying. That drawdown is there. And as you can see from the indicator, the drawdown is there. It exists. The 4 hour is letting me know it wants to go down. So I'm going to keep monitoring this. And by the time the candle closes, I'll know exactly what I'm doing. Because it's not going to close under that second candle. I can tell where this candle formed at. If you look at the drawdown, it's right around that spot because it wants to go down. So I'm going to keep watching because it could break out at the last minute, as you like to, these candles like to do that at this time. Anyway, I'm out of here. Peace.